The UHF-20 engine that is being developed for India's first unmanned combat aerial vehicle will be a non-afterburning engine with 52 kN thrust in the first phase, but an afterburning version will be developed with 90 kN thrust in the second phase, so that it can replace the American F-404 engines of the 83 Tejas Mark 1A fleet in the future. India's 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet requires an engine which has a dry thrust of around 65 kN and wet thrust of 110 kN, for which the core enhancement of the UHF-20 will not be sufficient. But if the DRDO can demonstrate the UHF-20 and its afterburning version successfully, then the DRDO will be approved to develop a new engine for the Mark II version of the AMCA. While a number of requests for proposals for various defense procurements have been put on hold, the Ministry of Defense has said that 2 independent bids for night vision devices will get an extension till the end of July 2020, but there will be no extension for bid submission for the much-awaited 41,000 LMG deal worth 3,000 crore rupees. As per the tender, the LMGs are expected to have a telescopic sight with 4x magnification, and should have the capability to facilitate engagement at 1,000 meters. It is to be noted that India has already signed a 880 crore rupees deal for 16,000 Negev LMGs with Israel on 20th of March 2020. Modern fighter jets have electronic display systems that shows information like fuel level and geographical position, but the pilots have to click the screen to access the relevant page of information, but this requires to take one hand from the plane's control stick or throttle. India has started testing aircraft display systems that work by tracking and responding to eye movements through unique eye and face tracking sensor technologies, and this new display system can be adapted and integrated into real-world environments. Due to supply chain disruptions arising out of the lockdown, the Ministry of Defense has extended the delivery period for the existing acquisition contracts with the Indian vendors by a period of 4 months. However, in case of foreign vendors, the ministry has maintained that the foreign vendors can approach the Indian government, which might consider their cases on the basis of the situation prevailing in their respective countries. After China announced a 6.6% growth in its defense budget for this financial year from $167 billion to $178.2 billion, Pakistan has also announced to increase its defense budget by 11.9%. Pakistan's military has also demanded a 20% increase in their salaries, and this comes amid the cost-cutting measures by the civilian government and the prolonged economic crisis in the country.